Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find contact settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click privacy, and here you will find connect with contacts here, contact settings, and that's how to find contact settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.